Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news, read by Jonas Yantan. Kohima Village Council KVC has asked the state government to send returnees from other districts to their respective districts without any further delay. KVC, in a letter addressed to the Chief Minister, lamented that the government gave no consideration to its earlier representation, asking government to send returnees to respective districts without holding them at Kohima for several days. KVC President Nipi Kire and Secretary Zenizo Rutsa said there is increased risk of spreading COVID-19 in keeping together all returnees from high-risk zones at Kohima quarantine centers. This also increases the workload of frontline workers, KVC said. It further said that if the current strategy persists, quarantine facilities in Kohima will become oversaturated and thereby pose additional risks. Kifere Civil Societies has appealed to the state government to put under quarantine in Kohima and Dimapur the returnees coming from across India and bound for Kifere district and Longkhim Chare zone under Tuensang district. In this regard, United Sangdam Likum Pumji, Yumchungma Tribal Council and Eastern Semihoho jointly submitted a representation to the Chief Minister, stating that facilities available for treating COVID-19 patients at COVID-19 hospital in Kifre is very much limited. They appeal that returnees be sent to the district only after undergoing testing for COVID-19 for the safety of society as a whole. The civil society said their appeal is based solely on grim realities of Kifre, which is remotely located and away from modern medical facilities. All Nagaland College Students Union ANSU has appealed to the advisor, Science and Technology and Information Technology and Communication to intervene in improving internet connectivity in the state so as to facilitate online educational activities during COVID-19 pandemic. ANSU President Vimeyeko Vitso and General Secretary Imna Merin N. Jamie, in a letter to the advisor, said the students' community at this trying time has been adversely affected by poor internet connectivity. The union said good internet network facility is required for online classes, online tutoring, online admission, and examination. ANSU said Nagaland, along with the rest of the world, should also embark on modern education for which better internet connectivity is required. Mon District Administration has imposed total lockdown in Dizit subdivision and Mon today and tomorrow. Deputy Commissioner Tawasilan K, in a notice, said movement of people will be strictly prohibited except for medical emergencies and all shops will remain closed except pharmacies. Movement of private vehicles will also be strictly prohibited. The DC said that total lockdown is enforced in order to facilitate transportation of people to different quarantine centers of the district. Dimapur Deputy Commissioner Anup Kinchi has ordered a sealing of first floor of St. Joseph's University Building, Dimapur, which is a quarantine center with effect from yesterday. The order has been issued in order to take effective measures to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The DC said legal action will be taken against any person violating these containment measures. An earthquake measuring 5.4 on the Richter scale struck Manipur yesterday at 8:12 p.m. The epicenter of the earthquake is said to be 13 kilometers west of Moirang town in Manipur's Bishnupur district. The jolt was also felt in other northeastern states, including Nagaland, Assam, and Mizoram. However, there was no loss of life or property reported. APC Nagaland and in charge of Dimapur district for COVID-19, Y. Kigeto Sema, observed the Nagas have very strong immune system and appealed all not to panic at a report of 3 COVID-19 positive cases in Nagaland. He said Nagas must also learn to live with corona. Kigedo urged upon the citizens to continue to extend cooperation to the government and district administration. He appealed to the people to refrain from giving extra work to frontline workers to control them, but help them by staying at home unless unavoidable. He urged the people to be calm, at home, safe, and stay healthy. Kigedo reminded the people to maintain social distancing, hand hygiene, and to wear masks as a preventive measure to contain coronavirus. He further appealed to the people not to move unnecessarily. With that, we end the morning news. Have a nice day.